What's up, guys?
Hello guys. We're gonna review this butter squishy and strawberry squishy dumpling Trinidos.
Butter squishy, ay, strawberry squishy.
Yoko nga, ikaw makulit.
Ikaw?
Give me my iPad! Ka ba? Hoy! Hoy! Nagugutom ka ba? We're gonna review our
Reviewing this first, so you review it.
It says strawberry.
Oh no, he wants to eat it. Meow meow, pididi.
Dito, Willie. Record ka nga. Recording mo nga. Hindi, gawin mo lang to, oh. Tapos, puro tumatakbo kami. Kailangan mo dapat pag ganyan. Sorry guys, that was a test, so we have to redo it again.
Guys, so we did it again, so we're gonna get this. Oh, hell no.
You dumb little. We're back. What? Oy, what's your tinitingnan nyo? Uy, ka ba? Nag-record ako.
Magkano yan?
80
Magkano?
pesos.
Mahal naman na ito. Ito.
1,000.
1,000. 150 lang ito eh.
Kinuha! Ako ito. Oy! Tapam! Ano ka? 50 kilos?
Magkano to? Pag binili ko lahat.
Ay, di million.
Gusto ko gawin ka pang trillion eh. Tandaan mo, ako ang anak ng mayor.
Ha?
Yay!
Weh.
Bigyan ko pa ng pera.
Dumi? Baho? Okay, guys. Bubuksan natin to. Ay. Guys, bubuksan natin to. Signan natin. Ano to? Bakit ni... Ay! He's gay. Guys, do you know he's gay? According to my calculation, you're gay. Oh! You're gay! Stop! English kami. Thank you. Thank you.